Have you ever watched a movie and flinched when you heard thunder, even though you were safe at home? That's the magic of sound effects. Sound effects are like invisible artists painting with noise. They add footsteps, creaking doors, or chirping birds to scenes, making everything feel real. Your brain expects certain sounds with certain actions. So when those sounds match what you see, your mind believes the world on screen is real. Even silent moments use sound to build tension. Without these clever noises, stories would feel flat and less convincing.